Game over. Not even close, bro. So your dream girl walked off with some other dude. It sucks, right? It's like watching your favorite team lose in the final seconds of the game. The sting is real and it cuts deep. But here's the thing. This isn't the end of your story. It's just a plot twist. Feels like getting hit by Thor's hammer. But fear not, my friend. So that hammer can also be a wake-up call. It's a signal that it's time to rise up, to become the hero of your own story. Remember, every great hero faces setbacks. It's how they come back that defines them. This isn't some Disney movie where Prince Charming waltzes in and wins by default. No, this is real life, where the stakes are higher and the rewards are sweeter. In real life, you have to earn your victories. You have to fight for what you want. And sometimes that means fighting for yourself first. This is real life, and in real life, you gotta up your game. It's about putting in the work, day in and day out. It's about looking in the mirror and deciding that today is the day you start becoming the best version of yourself, whether it's hitting the gym, learning new skills, or just being more confident. Every step counts. Listen up, because we are about to drop some serious knowledge. This isn't just about getting the girl. It's about becoming the kind of person who attracts the right people into your life. It's about charisma, confidence, and character. It's about being someone worth knowing. And we're talking next level dating advice, like the kind they don't teach in school, probably because most teachers wouldn't ace this class themselves. This is the stuff that separates the men from the boys. It's about understanding the game, but more importantly, it's about understanding yourself and what you bring to the table. This is about understanding women, yeah, but it's also about understanding yourself. It's about knowing your strengths and weaknesses and playing to your strengths while working on your weaknesses. It's about self-awareness and self-improvement. It's about being honest with yourself and making the changes you need to make. Time to ditch the self-pity and grab life by the horns. No more excuses, no more waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. It's time to take action, to make things happen. It's time to be proactive, to take charge of your life and your destiny. Welcome to the ultimate channel for all your dating and relationship needs. Are you looking for foolproof strategies on picking up and mastering the art of approaching women? Want to understand the secrets of what women truly desire and how to make them chase you? Look no further as we provide the best dating and hookup hacks, including effective icebreakers for any scenario and expert advice on overcoming anxiety when talking to beautiful women. Learn how to become the ultimate man, effortlessly attracting women and becoming irresistible. From flirting techniques to understanding hookup culture, hacking her psychology and seduction methods, we've got you covered. Get the woman of your dreams, or as many as you want. Subscribe now and unlock the key to success with women. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room, the dreaded friend zone. It's a place no one wants to be, yet so many find themselves trapped in it. As it should say, it's that awkward space where you're close enough to be her confidant, but not close enough to be her romantic interest. It's like quicksand, my friend. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. The harder you try to prove you're the perfect guy, the more you reinforce the idea that you're just a friend. It's a vicious cycle that can be incredibly frustrating and disheartening. So, how'd you end up there? Simple. You let her. You allowed yourself to be put in that position by not setting boundaries and by not making your intentions clear from the start. You might think you're being nice, but in reality, you're just digging your own grave. You became the nice guy, the shoulder to cry on, the free therapist. You were always there for her, always ready to listen to her problems, always available at her beck and call. While these are admirable qualities, they don't necessarily make you boyfriend material in her eyes. Newsflash, women are attracted to men, not emotional support puppies. They want someone who can be strong, confident, and assertive. Someone who can take charge and make decisions, not someone who is always at their disposal. Don't get me wrong, being a good listener is important, but there's a fine line between being supportive and being a doormat. You need to find that balance where you can be there for her without losing your own sense of self-worth and confidence. Here's the escape plan. Flirt. Flirting is a way to show your interest without being too direct. It's playful, it's fun, and it creates a sense of romantic tension. It's a way to let her know that you see her as more than just a friend. Tease her, make her laugh, let her see you're interested in her romantically. Humor is a powerful tool in building attraction. When you make her laugh, you create a positive association with you. She starts to see you as someone who can make her happy, someone she can have fun with. Be confident, be playful, and for God's sake, stop agreeing with everything she says. Confidence is incredibly attractive. When you show that you have your own opinions and you're not afraid to express them, you come across as more interesting and dynamic. A little bit of healthy debate never hurt anyone. In fact, it can be quite stimulating. It shows that you're not just a yes man, that you have your own thoughts and ideas. It creates a dynamic where she sees you as an equal, not just someone who is there to please her. Remember, the goal is to build a connection that goes beyond friendship. You want her to see you as a potential partner, someone she can be romantically involved with. This means being genuine, being yourself, and not being afraid to show your interest. So take a deep breath, gather your confidence, and start making those subtle moves. Flirt, tease, and most importantly, be yourself. The friend zone isn't a life sentence. With the right approach, you can escape it and find yourself in a much more rewarding relationship. And who knows, maybe one day you'll look back and laugh at how worried you were about being stuck in the friend zone. Because once you break free, you'll realize that the best relationships often start with a strong foundation of friendship. So go out there, be confident, be playful, and show that you're more than just a friend. Show her that you're someone she can fall in love with. The escape plan is in your hands. Now it's time to put it into action. Confidence is key, my friend. It's the secret sauce that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Whether you're at a social gathering, a job interview, or even just walking down the street, exuding confidence can make all the difference. People are naturally drawn to those who carry themselves with assurance and poise. It's like cologne, you wear it well, and everyone wants a whiff. Just like a good fragrance, confidence can be incredibly attractive. It signals to others that you're comfortable in your own skin and that you know your worth. This magnetic quality can open doors and create opportunities that you might have otherwise missed. But what if you're lacking in the self-esteem department? Fake it. Yes, you heard me right. Sometimes you have to act the part before you truly feel it. Pretend to be confident, and over time, you'll start to believe it yourself. This isn't about being dishonest. It's about training your mind to adopt a more positive and assertive outlook. Seriously, confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Just like you wouldn't expect to lift heavy weights without some practice, you can't expect to be confident overnight. It takes consistent effort and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage you to be your best self. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. These small actions can have a big impact on how others perceive you, and more importantly, how you perceive yourself. When you carry yourself with confidence, you send a message to the world that you're someone worth paying attention to, even if you're internally freaking out. Project an aura of, I got this. It's natural to feel nervous in new or challenging situations, but don't let that stop you. Take deep breaths, smile, and remind yourself that you are capable and deserving of success. Over time, these actions will become second nature and your confidence will grow. And the best way to actually get it, work on yourself. Hit the gym, not just to look good, but to feel good. A physical exercise releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and overall sense of well-being. Plus, achieving fitness goals can give you a sense of accomplishment that translates into other areas of your life. Learn a new skill, travel, and expose yourself to new experiences. These activities can broaden your horizons and give you a fresh perspective on life. When you challenge yourself to learn and grow, you build resilience and adaptability, which are key components of confidence. Those do things that make you feel good, whether it's a hobby, a sport, or spending time with loved ones. Engaging in activities that bring you joy can significantly boost your self-esteem. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and others will take notice. The more you invest in yourself, the more confident you'll become. And trust me, women dig that. Confidence is attractive because it signals that you are self-assured and capable. So take the time to work on yourself, and you'll find that not only do you feel better, but others will be drawn to your newfound confidence. Remember, fake it till you make it, and then actually make it. Go ahead and like this video right now. Look, I get it. Comfort is king, and everyone loves to feel relaxed. But newsflash, cargo shorts are not the key to a woman's heart or anyone's admiration. First impressions matter, and your clothes speak volumes before you even open your mouth to speak. No need to become a fashion icon overnight or spend a fortune, but some basic effort goes a long way in making a difference. Invest in some well-fitting jeans, a few decent shirts that suit you, and maybe a blazer for those special occasions or important events. And please, for the love of all that is holy, throw out those Crocs immediately. Remember, dressing well isn't about impressing others. It's about respecting yourself and your image. And a man who respects himself, now that's truly attractive and appealing. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel.